A tragic incident has taken place today. In fact, yesterday we have come to know about it through the print media and also the electronic media. It is heart-rendering that we have lost precious lives. 8 lives we have lost. 2 of them are yet to be traced, and there are so many who are injured. This is a rank illegal building that was being constructed. Not even a building plan is sanctioned, and he is proceeding with 6 floors, stilt plus 5 floors, stilt ground plus 5 floors. So therefore, such an illegal construction commenced without license was not prevented. No effort was made by the officials of the BBMP to disconnect electricity, temporary electricity supply. No complaint was filed against the owner or the contractor to stop the building. So this is where we are worried about the rampant illegalities in construction that is taking place in Bangalore, and this case will be taken as though a very in a sad note, but we will take it as an example to ensure that the authorities are properly brought to law and brought to book. And this is a classic case of collusion between the owner, the contractor on the one side, and the BBMP officials on the other side. We have made a preliminary inspection here. We have made a spot inspection, and we have heard some of the officials from the assistant engineer till the zonal commissioner. We have recorded the proceedings, and I have already registered a case, so motor case against the officers, including the government, from the secretary to the government till the assistant engineer. So they will be called upon to give their response, and thereafter we will investigate this matter, inquire, give opportunity to everybody, and then pass orders. And this is not going to be confined only to this building. This will extend to similar illegalities that are being committed, and we want to stop this menace. And to one small advice to the public: at a very initial stage, they should lodge complaint against such illegal construction to the concerned authorities. If any one of them have filed a complaint, even in this case, they can also produce a copy of those complaints, so that we can understand that without any with impunity they have commenced the construction, and the authorities have not taken action.